Hi guys, so in this video I wanted to share a very quick way of setting up your wallets. Now the thing is that this is a very important process, especially if you want to receive your tokens via the airdrops. So very simple, you need to come down to your back office, you need to come to the section called My Profile, click on that. And this will take a couple of seconds to load, depending on the speed of your internet. And then you can click on this one, ETH wallet. So we're going to click on that. And what you're going to be needing to do is for your tokens that run on the ERC20, you will need to add in your Ethereum address over here. This is from your ETH wallet. I'll show you an example of where this is located with MetaMask. And if you're going to be receiving tokens, which are specifically the SWIT tokens, then you have to click on this one, the BSC wallet. And the BSC wallet runs on the Binance Smart Chain. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be showing you an example of MetaMask, which you can download at metamask.io. This is an example of a wallet. And as you can see here, I'm on the Binance Smart Chain. So if I were to click on this and then click on the Ethereum mainnet, I would then need this address. So this address, I need to click on its copy, come over here into the back office, click on ETH wallet, paste it in over here, and then click on Save Changes. That would be step one. Step two would then be to switch over to the Binance Smart Chain, like so, and then to paste in this address into the BSC wallet by clicking on the BSC wallet and pasting in the address over here and clicking on Save Changes. And that's all you need to do, guys. So in the next video, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be explaining and showing you how to purchase your first package. And I'll also be linking it either in this video or in the description box below. And just make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell for future videos just like this one. If you have any questions, hit me up in either our WhatsApp group or via email if you have it. Specifically, if you join via the link in the description box below, I will be reaching out to you so that you have my personal email as well, should you have or need help with Swapit. Have a nice one, and I'll see you guys in the next video.